All right, now everybody, how's it going today? We're back at the tree service again, and like I said, they're going to dump more logs on top of my pile, but they're doing a good job keeping me supplied, so I'm not going to complain. Thank you for that. Now, it looks like they brought in a bunch of maple logs, and that's not a bad deal because that maple dries really fast. All this stuff up here is maple, it looks like to me. At first glance, it really looks like maple. I don't want to be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's maple, and that wood dries really fast. It's some good burning wood. So I'll go ahead and buck that up and get it split up. It's not a problem. I mean, like I said, there is some cherry and probably some walnut and things down in there. I really want to get those off the ground eventually, but man, it's a lot of work to get down to them. So anyways, I'm going to get bucking this stuff up today. I might record a little bit of it for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll give you some updates as the show progresses here. So I should also add, just because it was 92, 93 degrees today. It's very hot outside, but we have that hurricane coming through. You won't see this for several weeks, but we have that hurricane coming through from Texas, and it'll be here this week, and it's going to rain. And last week was 4th of July, so I didn't get much firewood made. I was just kind of taking a little vacation myself. It was really hot last week. It was the holiday weekend, but I just wanted to get out of the house and cut some wood. You know, I got an itchy trigger finger to run a saw and buck up some wood, and I'm looking at my pallets out there in my wood yard, and I got 2 of them that are half full. It just doesn't feel right, so I'm going to get out here, have a little fun, run a saw for a little while today, and buck up some firewood, and get out of the house, burn some calories and all that. That's what we're doing.
There's a pale blue wind on my corner. The pebbles are turning themselves upside down. It's the freedom of fresh air exploited. Creation at best is tension unbound. Yes, I feel
Alright, while I'm doing this little high-speed section here of throwing these rounds, I just wanted to mention that I worked well into the night this night, pretty much all night long. I came out and I made 3 loads of wood, and it took me till almost 3 o'clock in the morning to finish getting it done. Now, in the process of doing this, I set a piece of firewood down right on my thumb, and I got a black thumbnail, and if you guys do firewood, you know how that goes, but I just got my hands about all cleared up, and then I set a piece of wood down on my thumbnail. So I always tell people with kids and stuff, be careful even just setting wood down on your hand. Alright, I'm back with you, and I did quite a bit of bucking there, about 2 tanks of gas, pretty good amount of wood. I put a little dent in the pile there. You can see that little dip in there, and I got quite a mess on the ground here, so I'm going to start splitting this stuff up. Now, there was one of these logs that was a pretty large size, and I got more wood over here. This one right here, that one was a pretty good size one there, and I threw it off on this side of the pile and bucked it up over here, so I'm just going to roll these rounds around, back around over the corner there, and get to splitting this stuff. So that's what I'm up to now. I got quite a bit of work still left to do. I got to fire up the log splitter and get cooled off a little bit. I just had a nice drink of water, and now I'm going to go ahead and get on this stuff. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe ring the bell. Make sure you watch the videos if you take the time to subscribe. Well, all right, boys and girls, I just changed my shirt and changed my hat. Man, I was soaking wet. It is just really hot out there, so came in the truck, turned the air conditioning on for a minute there, and got, like I said, some fresh clothes on and cooled off, and I got plenty of water here, and just wanted to check in. I'm gonna get back out there and buck these logs up. That one's a large piece, and I gotta either lift it up or move the splitter, but want to get that one out of the way, and just checking in to let you know it's hot. Bring lots of water if you plan on cutting firewood. I know you guys know that, but woo-wee, my shirt is wringing wet. I could wring that thing out like I just got out of the pool, but there's a lot of work to be done, so I'm going to get back on it. I'm not going to record the splitting. If you want to see my Power Connects 30-ton log splitter in action now, just go to my page, and there's a whole bunch of videos. I might even have some of those special playlists made. I made playlists of the log splitter and the recipes in different playlists, so go turn a playlist on and cook dinner or something, and let it play, and that'll help me out with some views and everything else, if you would. Thanks, nice feller. All right, now I just want to close this video out now. It's getting late into the night, and the storms are getting far right up out there. I mean, it is getting far tough. I was hoping to get this wood unloaded, and I need to take a break, drink some water, have some ramen noodles, and see what happens. But that storm's coming right up on me, so let me just check the weather and see, and I just wanted to close this video out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I did get a nice load of wood, and started drizzling on me and drizzling on my log splitter. Now, I didn't want my splitter to get wet, and might have got a little bit wet, but I got out of there just in time right when it started raining, so right when it was getting far tough. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Oh.